Why you shouldn't sign a 360 deal. The 360 deal arose in response to the changing nature of the music industry. Over the last decade, revenue from record sales has steadily decreased as a result of increased digital downloads and streaming. At the same time, revenue from ticket sales, merchandise, and endorsement deals have steadily increased. So it is not surprising that record labels are looking for ways to increase their share of the revenue pie by capitalizing on these revenue streams. From the perspective of the record labels, they are the ones spending money, investing in the risky and expensive process of developing talent, and they should be able to share in the increasingly lucrative non-record sources of income that arise from the artist's success. But what are the dangers for an artist when offered a 360 deal? The deal can always be shelved. If the label doesn't think you've got what it takes, they have the option to do nothing for you. Not to mention, your deal prevents you from doing much without them or their approval. A big danger in this deal is that you give them a lot of exclusive access to the fruits of your labor with your signature. There is no way you can control whether they will do all the things they stated in the contract. Another issue has to do with the level of creative freedom that 360 record deal contracts offer for artists. Locking yourself into one of these contracts often comes with a number of terms and conditions that must be met in order for the contract and support from the record company to continue. This could mean something like how many shows you must perform monthly or annually, how many albums you need to put out and when, or even specifically what songs you can perform and who you may partner with for songwriting. With all of the deadlines and pressure, some artists may feel their creativity is suffocated. If you like your independence and being on top of every aspect of your career, then the 360 deal is probably a bad idea for you. Although the record label support at the beginning of your career seems tempting, remember that what they offer is only a loan. Eventually, you pay it back with a high interest rate. The conclusion is that the 360 deal is not inherently a bad deal. Like any deal, it can turn out to be bad or good for you. That is why you need to look at every detail with an experienced entertainment lawyer before you make any decision. Thank you for watching. Share your experience and comments for this under the video and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.